guys, it's Taylor, and I just want to make this video to introduce myself, let you guys know what I'll be making on this channel, and everything like that. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm Taylor, obviously, and I'm currently a freshman in college. I'm in my second semester. I'm undecided, so that means I don't know what I want to do with my life, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I choose to do for my career. I've always wanted to do YouTube. I've just never had the means to do it, meaning I never had a nice camera, even though I know people start from iPhone videos, which I actually did. I used to make videos in like middle school, but they were terrible. I don't know who let me do that. I live on campus at my college. As you can see, I'm in a dorm room in all of its glory. I just also wanted to give you guys a rundown of what kind of videos I'll be making, what kind of content, you know, all that stuff. I plan on doing lifestyle videos along with style or, you know, fashion, whatever. Obviously beauty, anything a beauty blogger would have on their channel, such as tutorials, reviews, hauls, you know, everything like that. I don't know what my uploading schedule will be since I am a college student. This is my channel, and even if I decide I want to make something that's totally not in what I just said, then I'm still gonna make it. It's my channel, and that's what's so great about YouTube, because I can make whatever I want. So if you're excited to see what's coming next, then give this video a like, turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post again. Yeah, like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave a comment down below even. Only positive stuff, because I'm insecure. Thanks! Alright guys, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.